This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Loosen the wheel lug nuts, then raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheel. Use a hammer and punch to unstake the drive axle and hub. Loosen the drive axle and hub nut with a long breaker bar, then remove it. Have an assistant depress the brake pedal to prevent the hub from turning. Remove the cotter pin and loosen the tie rod end nut, but don't remove it. Break loose the tie rod end from the steering knuckle using a puller, then remove the nut. Remove the fastener securing the ABS speed sensor, then remove the sensor. Remove the pinch bolt and separate the upper control arm from the steering knuckle. Pry the drive axle from the axle housing. Swing the steering knuckle outwards and slide the drive axle out of the hub. If the splines stick in the hub, push it out with a suitable puller. Pry the old spring clip from the end of the stub shaft and install a new one. Lubricate the drive axle end splines with multi-purpose grease and raise the drive axle into position while supporting the CV joints. Insert the drive axle into the hub and install the nut finger tight. Make sure the gap in the spring clip is facing down. This will allow it to compress and engage with its groove more easily. Then insert the spline end of the inner CV joint into the axle housing, making sure the spring clip locks into its groove in the differential side gear. Reconnect the upper control arm to the steering knuckle. Tighten the ball joint pinch bolt to 35 foot-pounds. Install the ABS speed sensor and tighten the mounting fastener securely. Reconnect the tie rod end to the steering knuckle and tighten the nut to 55 foot-pounds. Install a new cotter pin, turning the nut a little more if necessary to allow insertion of the cotter pin. Tighten the drive axle hub nut to 180 foot-pounds. Stake the collar of the nut into the groove in the drive axle. Install the wheel and lug nuts, then lower the vehicle. Tighten the lug nuts to 85 foot-pounds.